So I made this video here about how much XRP you need to become a millionaire. And let's just say the feedback was really interesting. Other than getting a few thousand views, I had people calling me an idiot, telling me to delete the post, and just outright laughing at me. However, not everyone was so passionate about telling me what an idiot I was for investing in XRP, as there is an XRP army out there. The fans of XRP and investors also showed up in the comments too. Now, quick caveat, nothing I say from here on out is financial advice, my friends, but I am invested in XRP and I do continue to buy XRP when I have a little spare change lying around. And frankly, if someone's not a fan of XRP or my investments, respectfully, I don't care. So friends, for today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of the reasons why I'm optimistic about XRP and why I'm so bullish on it. Okay, so let's talk about the XRP pros for anyone who doesn't know about XRP or hasn't used it. Firstly, fast settlements. It literally takes seconds to confirm transactions, and you know this if you used it. The next one is low fees. It literally costs like 0.00001 or something like that for a transaction to go through. And also, when we look at the on-demand liquidity, ODL, which leverages XRP, as XRP is a digital asset that's built for payments and built to bridge between two fiat currencies, it's a no-brainer as to why I believe XRP is great, affordable, and fast to perform these transactions. And also, my friends, when we look at ISO 20022, I'm not sure if it's ISO 20022 or is it just ISO 20022. Who knows? And essentially what that is it's an international standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions via SWIFT. That's a bit of a mouthful. And those who comply with ISO 20022, XRP being one of them, could be potentially adopted quicker into the financial system. Now, straight away, with all these benefits and the fact that it complies with the standards mentioned, you guys could argue, but look at the price action of XRP. It's a stable coin, it's worthless. And without speaking about the liquidity available, as let's be honest guys, it needs to come back on major exchanges. There is something else majorly suppressing XRP, and that has made it one of the few coins in the last 12 to 18 months not to hit an all-time high. And that, my friends, is the SEC. Ripple is currently fighting a lawsuit with the SEC, which has XRP stuck between a rock and a hard place, essentially waiting for clarity. But for anyone following the case closely, I kind of am, it looks very likely that a settlement in Ripple's favor is on the cards, or at the very least, a fine with a slap on the wrist. And the most important thing, clarity about whether XRP is a security or not. Now, of course, shit could hit the fan and the price may never move. The case could take a complete U-turn and the SEC destroys XRP in the final moments of the battle. And there's a lot of other hypothetical scenarios we could play out in our heads too. But for me, my friends, the main thing I see is the risk to reward element. And I could be totally wrong in 5 years time, sitting here, hopefully the channel's still about, to hold such a big bag of XRP and expect it to hit at least a minimum of an all-time high again, which as recording this video is an easy 10x. But for me, I still see it as a too good an opportunity to pass on. And for me, I'm riding XRP to the top or to zero, which isn't the greatest advice, let's be honest, but it's something I'm comfortable doing myself and will continue to do regardless of the opinions of the people on the internet. So friends, where do you see the price of XRP going? Is it going to go to zero, or is it going to go somewhat closer to the $589 mark that the Moon Boys are predicting? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me tell you what an awesome person you are for just sticking around when you guys could have literally been doing anything, but you chose to spend a few moments with me. And that makes you pretty awesome. So until next time, my friends, thanks for watching.